What's up? It's Baby G back on the. Can you hear? Hey, it's Faye. Welcome back to my channel. It's been so long since I had beautiful K-pop idol faces, and so I thought it'd be fun to bring back Vanner. Welcome! We're bringing it back with Vanner. Vanner's actually on their USA Busa Part 1 tour, and I caught them at their last stop in LA, and I thought it'd be fun to hang out with them. So thank you guys for coming, because I know you're super busy. They literally have a show before this. So thank you.
Thank you.
I know they're like super energetic. I watched some of your videos online, super talented and funny, and I thought it would be fun to introduce yourselves to the viewers.
둘, 셋. 위에 베레. 헬로 위아. 베레.
네, 안녕하세요 여러분. 저는 배너의 곤이라고 합니다. Hi guys, my name is Gon. I'm a best dancer. Yeah, I'm a main dancer. Thank you so much. Have a good night. Yeah, love you.
안녕하세요. 저는 배너의 리더 메인 보컬 태원이라고 합니다. Hello guys, nice to meet you.
네, 저는 배너의 막내 영광입니다. Nice to meet you. Good morning.
네, 안녕하세요. 저는 배너 알시안이라고 합니다. 반갑습니다.
Hello, my name is Song. I'm so hot, like my hair color. 네, 잘 부탁드리겠습니다. 감사합니다.
Did you say you're so hot?
Yeah.
Wow. If you think he's hot, like this video. So you guys know it's a tradition on heyitsfei to play the whisper challenge or the telephone game. Call it what you want. I'm gonna explain the game to the viewers who are new here. Basically, I'm gonna say a few phrases to the member closest to me, and he's gonna relay it down to the last member, and he's gonna say aloud what he heard. Okay.
Yes, okay.
I just want to disclaim for Vanner's international fans, they're working really hard on their English to connect with you guys. So take this video super lightheartedly, have fun with it, and acknowledge their efforts. You guys ready? Yeah. Okay, let's go. First one, I'm gonna whisper to my friend if I can.
Wow.
Don't listen, okay? No printer.
Yes. It's talking?
Mm-hmm.
Facts.
Oh my god, bro. Facts. No printer.
Yeah.
뭐라고?
What the?
I wanna go home.
모르겠어.
다시 말해줘. This boy got it. Boy got the words. Oh my gosh. Parachute?
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 No, it's facts. No printer.
Oh my god.
Oh!
아니야.
내가.
Okay. This one's easy. This one's super easy. Ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
You're done.
What?
One more. You're done.
Asian. You're done. You're done. You English.
You're done.
Okay.
그치? 그래 나야?
You can do it. Okay. Your answer. I think your turn.
You're done.
You're done.
Done?
Was it you? Oh wow, the first member. Oh my God. So close. -2. Okay, pass the mic.
You're done.
You're done.
You're done.
You're
Oh my
done.
god.
Okay, next one.
너무해. Yes, one more time. Yes.
Did I lie? Easy, right? Did I lie?
Huh?
Did I lie?
Asian. Okay. That's right.
I heard that.
That's right.
That's why.
아니 이 형 자꾸 자신만만해한다니까. 나 알았다 이미.
This one for the boys, the
다시 말해줘.
boom system top sound.
Okay. I think red wine.
Red wine. I said the real one was did I lie? Did I lie? Red wine.
아 이 형이 자신 있게 레드 와인이야? 아니야, 내가 레드 와인이라 했어. 내가 제차 물어봤어. 와인이냐 물어봤더니 와인.
Okay, MVP is coming. This one's easy.
Okay.
Easy, right?
Easy, but yeah. Answer, please. Okay. Hey. Olivia. One more time. Olivia. Rico.
What did he say?
Yes, I love you. Olivia, where we go? I love you. Olivia, where we go? Olivia, where we go? Olivia. Olivia, where we go?
Close. Olivia Rodrigo.
Who?
I heard you say I love you.
난 I love you라 했어.
나한테 알려주라 그러는데 갑자기 나한테 알려주. 지금까지 맞춘 거 한 개도 없는 거죠. So easy version, easy.
Okay.
Yeah,
Easy one?
please.
Oh, this one's super easy.
I love you. Viet, because you. Idiot, because you. You're done. Because of you.
Heart's going pitter patter, pitter patter.
Because of you. Yes. Eden, because of you.
No, I don't think you understand.
Right? Eden.
Because of you?
Yes, Eden, 너 때문이야. Eden, because of you.
Period, sis.
와! 너무 어려운 것 같아. 이렇게 돌아가서 혹시 할 수 있어요? 아 잠깐만, 이렇게 반대로 가면 안 돼 오히려? 너무 어려운 거 내주시는 것 같아요.
Okay.
So hard. Yeah.
Oh wait, like they're gonna give me a phrase
Yes.
and I answer?
Yeah.
Oh,
Your last
okay.
answer. Last answer.
Okay, alright. Table's turn.
그럼
Table's
제가
turn.
여기서 팬들한테 정답을 공개하고 이렇게 쭉 가볼게요.
Ah,
You know,
okay.
right? 괜찮습니까?
Yep.
Okay.
Go for it.
I love BBS. 들으시면 안 돼요.
Okay, I won't listen. I close my ears, guys.
I love BBS. Period. I love BBS.
I love VVS. Yay! But at first, I thought you said I love BTS. Okay, this is gonna be bonus, okay? I thought it'd be fun if you guys taught me a dance move.
롤리를 한번 배워보시겠어요?
Just a little bit, yeah.
Hello? Yeah! Wow! Really?
That was so much fun. As you guys see, I'm still a dancer. I taught them, obviously. We had a lot of fun today. Thank you guys for making time for me.
네, 오늘 저희가 사실은 LA에서 마지막 투어 공연이 있어요. 네, 이번에 정말 많은 도시를 특별하게 공연을 많이 했는데 굉장히 소중한 기회를 가져온 것 같아서 굉장히 기쁘고 또 이렇게 어려운 상황에서도 많은 팬 여러분들이 콘서트에 찾아와 주셔서 진심으로 감사드린다는 말씀 꼭 전해드리고 싶고요. 그리고 앞으로 저희 배너도 많이 사랑해 주시고 롤린도 많이 사랑해 주시기 바랍니다. 네, 자 우리는 이제 마지막 콘서트까지 건강하게 끝내고 다시 한국에 되돌아가도록 하겠습니다. 네, 감사합니다.
Thank you. And please subscribing. You know what I'm talking about. Okay, subscribing.
Okay, let's subscribe.
Hey
guys.
channel, subscribe and likes. Yeah, thumbs up. Love you guys.
I'm gonna leave all their links, so make sure to follow them and support Vanner. Thank you to CODE1 Entertainment for this opportunity. Until next time, I'm sending love. Bye!
Thank you.
Bye!
Even if you try